Today, I'll show you a money-making machine. Yes, it's auto trading robot. If you didn't believe that any robot have 99% accuracy, so I prove that you are wrong because, create a unbelievable robot for boom and crash. It's results of my 10 years experience in this market. You can see the live results of my robot. In this robot, I'm using the best AI trailing system, the best auto stop loss and take profit system. And you can see the updated algorithms in this robot. Auto select the lot size according to deposit, because risk management is most important factor in any robot. According to my strategy, which I used in this EA, the first step is detect the trend in higher time frame, and then catch spikes with the help of updated spike detector in lower time frame. You can use this robot on multiple accounts for lifetime and make money. If anyone interested, so join my Telegram and get it.